This video shows how to buy shares of Contineum Therapeutics Inc. and answers the query how to buy shares of Contineum Therapeutics Inc. Contineum Therapeutics operates in the biomedical and therapeutic development sector and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker CTNM, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CTNM to find the Contineum Therapeutics Inc. listing. Make sure you select the result that matches the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that reflects recent market activity. Confirm the company name and ticker CTNM to ensure this is the right security before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After confirmation, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to the broker example used in this tutorial, check the description below.